This is a set of Uno Deluxe. This is an original 1978 vintage set, but they've made them over the years. The Deluxe set comes in a table box or a table game box, so it's a much larger box that can fit on a shelf, not get lost like a deck of cards might. Comes with a set of scorecards or score sheets, and these are double-sided, pretty nice, and they're like in a pad. This is a pretty full set of the original 1978 scorecards, and then a cool instruction set. The cards, of course, are the original sets with the full words written out and the original wild cards. Very neat. And then the deluxe set came with these card holders so that you could put your deck and your discard pile in this nice holder. Great collectible for someone who's into table games, card games, or collectible Uno. Hope this helps.